And we have one extra dessert here. This time it's not vegan, so we're focusing here on a traditional dairy. An aerated chocolate mousse, and using one of quite special hero ingredients here. Danielle, what is that?
Yeah, so today we'll be showcasing a chocolate that's been produced using our Valio high protein, low lactose skim milk powder. So the chocolate itself is 30% reduced sugar. So Glyn then has put together a chocolate mousse. So yeah, it's delicious. So looking forward to tasting it, Glyn.
So I've taken the chocolate itself and melted it completely over a bain-marie of water, and then you can add an infusion of like an espresso coffee or a liqueur or other things, orange, raspberry. For today I've used a little bit of espresso. We've taken that down to 15 degrees in temperature, and then added that to an espuma gun. So you get that aeration in the mousse, so you get a real light, fluffy kind of mousse with a hint of espresso in the background. Okay, so now I'm going to just pipe the chocolate mousse. And as you can see, you have that beautiful kind of almost like a souffle of foamy kind of chocolate. Okay, and what I'm going to do is garnish that with a little bit of our grated chocolate, our sugar reduced, just on top. Very simple. And then just a few little raspberries on top, just to garnish. As you can see, that is actually holding really well. Nice and firm. But also, there you go. It's simple. Okay, guys, would you like to try this? See what you think?
Wow.
There you go. See what you think.
These are perhaps
Enjoy.
the best, the best perks of the job, you know. And I promise that our lovely crew will actually be trying some of these. I mean, have a look at this, the aeration. It's just superb.
Glyn, for you, you make this kind of product all the time. Was it okay with the sugar reduced
Absolutely,
chocolate?
yeah.
No difference?
Well, you try that now and see what you think. I mean, it's just got that richness, still got the chocolatey notes, and still got a sort of a natural sweetness.
The aeration as well.
Yeah.
Did a good job there.
And it
How
feels
extremely light this is.
It's like, it feels healthy, but it's almost indulgent at the same time. So,
You still have that sweetness coming through,
yeah,
you know, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. You said it, yeah. It's a healthy indulgence, which is, what we all need.
Yeah,
Absolutely
very balanced
beautiful.
flavour as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll have to eat all of that, I think.
Yeah.
Glyn, superb. Thank
Great
you.
stuff.
And Danielle, great work on the recipe.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Brilliant.